Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review Chase Sapphire Reserve Ask Sebby review. Is it worth it? Focus on how to measure card value for your travel habits, use credits, and spot hidden perks you may miss. I will walk through redeeming points, comparing earning rates versus competitors, and a simple math approach to find your break even. Stick with me, and you'll know whether this card makes sense for you. Let's explore core benefits and practical use cases so you understand what actually matters. I'll explain how the $300 travel credit triggers, when lounge access pays off, and how 3x earnings on travel and dining translate to real dollar value. We'll use plain examples to show point multipliers and partner redemptions, plus common mistakes that reduce value. By the end, you'll see whether benefits justify the cost for your lifestyle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Perfect for saving airport food costs and keeping snacks fresh on long trips, plus they pack neatly in carry-ins. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick them up, they'll make travel days easier. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover the cost side so you can compare and decide confidently. I'll highlight the impact of the $550 annual fee and show scenarios where travel protections and insurance tip the scale. We'll also compare versus other premium cards for different travel styles and budgets, and I'll point out when downgrading or swapping cards is smarter. Follow the steps and calculate your personalized break-even number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.